Did you know that Essens has been in the market since 2011? And since then, the company has come a long way. Discover the beauty of Essens perfumes, which are changing our lives for the better. You may wonder how. In the Essens Club, you can shop for items at a much lower price than from distributors, without any pressure or mandatory purchases. And that's a big plus. No pressures to sell products, no pressures to register. Simply put, Essens is a relaxed network company. And for those who want to earn, they sell and, most importantly, register new customers. Imagine registering 10 people who will regularly make purchases. Imagine if these 10 people do the same. Regular purchases within the network guarantee a stable income. Let's build networks together using social media. Let's shop for what we need together and let's earn together because of it. Registering new members is free and online. You can find more information in the video description.